Have you ever felt lost when dealing with your finances, not knowing where to start or how to organize your money efficiently? If so, you are not alone. Many people face the same challenge on a daily basis, but the good news is that controlling your finances can be much simpler than it seems. In this video, I will show you how to transform your relationship with money using just 3 practical and easy-to-apply daily habits. If you want to get out of the debt cycle, save consistently, and build a solid foundation for the future, stay until the end. This content was made especially for young adults and professionals who seek financial stability without complications. We will get straight to the point, with real solutions that you can implement today. The big problem that many people face is the lack of organization and financial planning. They spend without thinking, accumulate debts, and get frustrated because they are unable to save or invest. The emotional impact of this is enormous. Constant stress, sleepless nights, and the feeling of always chasing your own tail. For example, imagine buying an expensive coffee every day. At the end of the month, this small expense can turn into a significant amount that could have been used for something more important, such as paying off a debt or saving for the future. But don't worry, it doesn't have to stay that way. The solution starts with simple changes in your daily routine. The first habit you need to adopt is to record everything you spend. Simply writing down your daily expenses can make a huge difference in how you manage your money. There are several tools for this: financial control apps, spreadsheets on your cell phone, or even a notebook. The important thing is to keep track of every penny that leaves your account. This will give you clarity about where your money is going and will help you identify unnecessary expenses. For example, you may realize that you are spending too much on subscriptions that you don't even use, or on small luxuries that seem harmless but add up over time. This habit is the basis for any financial transformation. The second habit is to set financial priorities every day. It may seem like an exaggeration, but setting aside at least 10 minutes of your day to review your goals can completely change your trajectory. Ask yourself, what are my financial goals? Maybe it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or investing in something bigger, like buying a home. By keeping these goals clear in your mind every day, you'll be more focused and motivated to make decisions that are aligned with what really matters. Plus, it helps you avoid consumerist impulses that can sabotage your plans. The third habit is to automate your finances. Yes, you can literally put your money to work for you. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments as soon as you get your paycheck. This way you can ensure that a portion of your money is going toward important goals before you even spend it. You can also automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Tools like banking apps or investment platforms make this process much easier. Automating your finances eliminates human error and keeps you consistent with your financial discipline, even on days when you're not feeling so motivated. Now that you know the 3 habits, let's talk about how to implement them today. First, grab your phone or notebook and start writing down everything you spend today. No matter how small the amount, write it down. Then, take a few minutes to think about your financial priorities. What are your biggest goals? Finally, set up automations in your bank or investment platforms. Start small if necessary, but start. Remember, small daily actions lead to big results in the long run. To inspire you even more, I want to share some real stories of people who transformed their financial lives with these habits. One of them is John, who eliminated all his debts in 2 years by recording every expense and adjusting his budget. Another is Mary, who started automating her monthly investments and now has a robust emergency fund. And we also have Peter, who defined clear priorities and managed to save money to fulfill his dream of traveling the world. These stories prove that anyone can achieve financial stability with discipline and focus. Unfortunately, there are still many myths and doubts that prevent people from starting to control their finances. One of these myths is that you need to earn a lot of money to organize it. In fact, anyone can get started, regardless of their current income. Another myth is that it is too late to change your financial situation. It is never too late to start building a better future. Some people are afraid of failing, but remember, failure is part of the process, and the important thing is to learn and adjust your strategy. In addition, it is crucial to understand the role of emotions in financial decisions. We often buy things on impulse, driven by emotions such as anxiety, momentary happiness, or even sadness. To avoid this, adopt a more rational approach. For example, before making an unplanned purchase, wait 24 hours to reflect on whether it is really necessary. This simple technique can save you from unnecessary expenses and help you stay focused on your goals. There are several free tools and resources that can help you on this journey. Applications such as Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or specific apps such as Mobiles and Organize are great options for those who want detailed control. In addition, investment platforms such as XP Investimentos or PicPay offer automation features that make life easier for those who are just starting out. Try different tools until you find the one that works best for you. Another important point is to redefine your consumption habits. Small changes can generate significant savings. For example, swap expensive coffees for homemade versions, cancel subscriptions you don't use, or opt for cheaper alternatives at supermarkets. These daily choices may seem insignificant, but when added together, they can make a huge difference to your budget in the long run. Remember, the power is in the small decisions. In short, the secret to controlling your money lies in 3 simple habits: recording your expenses, setting financial priorities, and automating your finances. With consistency and discipline, you can transform your financial reality and build a safer and more peaceful future. Remember, your future starts today, and it depends on the choices you make now. Don't wait any longer to get started. If this video helped you understand how to control your finances in a simple and practical way, leave a like and share it with other people who also want to improve their relationship with money. Subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and financial transformation. Remember, with these 3 habits, you will have total control over your money. Start now